Okay, weekly market update. First start with Nasdaq daily chart. Yeah, we are in range now. Bottom third of the range. I also see on a lower time frame some bull channel. What's bear? It's a bear channel. It's a bull flag, but they usually break to the upside, and we are also at the bottom third of the range. So we could see a little bit of buying, but then later on also be like this, and then it could put some pressure on our shorts, but I'm expecting later on this range to break out to the downside. And yeah, I know most bull flags, most trading ranges in bull trends break to the upside, right? The last 15 years, almost all of them. But yeah, I don't think if we go to the weekly chart, I think this leg is still very unhealthy. It started way too early. It's way too strong. And when you see something strong late in trend, it's a warning sign. We now have a double top, so this double top could hold and it could become a major top. Yeah, but first of all, we need to see if we're gonna get buying first, people trading this range. And then for us, very important, for bears, it's very important to break this range to the downside. And I know the EMA is under here, so it could be choppy. It could be a choppy trade. But yeah, I just don't think that the odds are bullish anymore. I actually think they're very, very bearish, but yeah, I'm very confident that we are in a bear market, even though you're not seeing it yet. But I need to be careful with what I say, because I was also very, very confident here when the market chose to break out to the downside after this 6-month range. And it not much happened, right? We had some fast triggering and then a fast reversal. So yeah, could happen again, but even the odds remain bearish. Even if the bulls make another new high, yeah, I think it's gonna fail again and roll over, and we're gonna go down. Yeah. So that's my take. And monthly chart is closing. Oh yeah, this is the only bullish thing I'm still concerned about, because this is the first pass in a strong leg. So usually the first pass gets bought up, right? But yeah, then I expect, as of now, I'm expecting this to fail and then to roll over because of all the lower time frames. And also, if you watch it, all the big caps, I mean, I showed FGO last time, it's very, very bearish. Hard to imagine that this thing is going to make a new high again. Google, I think it's about the same, right? We are reversing here. Climatic overshoot, so it's not bullish at all. And Nvidia also two days left. This is incredibly bearish. It's a micro double top. So if this bar in 2 days closes like this, and then we are triggered below, then we have one last hurdle to take, and that's this bottom of this range, and then we are going down. I know there is a lot of buybacks going on still, and the fundamentals are still very good, so that's what all the bulls will say. But well, the buybacks is only like 1% of the supply, so it helps, but I don't think it's enough for this reversal. And yeah, I also we cannot be bullish here. That's for sure, right? So we may have to wait a while as bears if we do not get a collapse very soon. But we absolutely cannot be bullish here. So yeah, that's about the market. Let me know if you have any questions.